Vybz Kartel, wife, kids, career, net worth and future revealed. Yo, what's good? Welcome to an explosive deep dive into the life of Vybz Kartel, the undisputed world boss of dancehall. Before we dive in, please smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to stay locked in for more iconic artist profiles. Today, we're uncovering Vybz Kartel's personal life, career triumphs, net worth, and what's next for this Jamaican legend. Let's jump in. Born Adidja Azim Palmer on January 7, 1976, in Portmore, Jamaica, Vybz Kartel grew up in Waterford, where his lyrical talent emerged early. Influenced by Ninja Man, Papa San, and Sam Cooke, he began writing at 11 and recorded his first single, Love Fat Woman, as Adi Banton in 1993. His gritty yet versatile style revolutionized dancehall, earning him the title, Teacha. Kartel's personal life is complex. He's engaged to Sidem Öztürk, a London social worker he met in 2015, and was previously in a long-term relationship with Tanesha, Shorty, Johnson, with whom he has 3 children. Kartel has 7 children total, including sons Jaheim, Likkle Vybz, and Akheel, Likkle Addi, who perform as UTG, continuing his musical legacy. In 2020, he became a grandfather when his 15-year-old son's partner gave birth. His career is a dancehall cornerstone. After forming the group Vybz Kartel, he went solo, breaking through with 2003's Sweet to the Belly. Hits like Clark's Romping Shop with Spice and Fever Certified Gold made him a global star, collaborating with Rihanna, Busta Rhymes, and Drake. Despite a 2014 murder conviction for Clive Lizard Williams' death, overturned in 2024 due to juror misconduct, Kartel released over 300 songs from prison, including albums like King of the Dancehall, 2016, and Party With Me, 2025 Grammy nominee. His label, Jaheim Records, and ventures like Street Vibes Rum boosted his brand. Kartel's net worth in 2025 is estimated at $1 to $6 million, driven by music royalties, streaming, millions monthly on Spotify/YouTube, and business ventures like clothing and cake soap lines. His pre-incarceration lifestyle included BMWs and upscale Portmore homes. Post-release in July 2024, his Freedom Street concert and MOBO Awards nods signal a financial rebound. Looking ahead, Kartel's freedom opens doors for international tours, new music, and expanded ventures. With his health challenges, Graves' disease, heart condition managed, he's poised to dominate dancehall further, potentially mentoring artists or launching new businesses. That's Vybz Kartel's epic story. What's your favorite track? Drop it in the comments, and subscribe for more.